Hello and welcome to this very simple and easy to understand demonstration of what a CountIf formula is. As you can see, we have a spreadsheet set up. It's brief and it's not got a huge amount of data on it, but for this example it's perfect. Okay, let's get straight to it. The CountIf formula we are going to be typing is going to be in column E and row 40. Okay, the CountIf formula can be typed directly into the box where you want it to be displayed, or, as my personal favourite, the formula bar at the top. All formulas begin with an equal sign, and then you begin to type the name of the formula that you are looking for. As you can see, Microsoft Excel has kindly provided us with a list of particular options that match what we've typed in. We are looking for CountIf, and the dialog box that pops up along the right of the actual drop down list that counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. That's Microsoft's official explanation of what a CountIf formula is. Double click it. Now you'll note that little box has popped up underneath where we're actually typing. It's the CountIf box, which is basically prompts that help you to type in what it is you're actually trying to achieve. The CountIf formula is made up of two options. It's made of the range and the criteria. Range and the criteria. Okay. Range is where you'll be searching. The criteria is what you are searching for. We are searching for the range. AA. And don't forget to put the comma in. It separates the two different parts of the formula and the criteria. Okay. Now we're searching for manufacturers or car makes of the name Jaguar. Okay. Now when you are typing in a name of something, or a place, or just standardized text, like you're not putting in a date or an amount or currency or anything like that, you have to enclose it in quotation marks. And we are searching for Jaguar. It's not case sensitive, however for the purpose of this we will type it in capital J, Jaguar. Now to close the formula you have to close the brackets. Okay, and now the formula is complete. Hit enter to display the results, and as you can see there are 7 Jaguar manufactured models in this spreadsheet. Okay, so one more time, all CountIf formulas begin with an equal sign, the name of the formula, open the bracket, where you want to search, so the range, and the criteria is what you are actually searching for. Okay, always remember to close the bracket, the formula with a bracket, and there it is again, number 7. So to validate it, which we can do on a spreadsheet of this size, you can simply just count them. However, if it was a spreadsheet with 150,000 rows, it wouldn't be feasible to actually count them, and that's why the CountIf formula exists. But for the purpose of this example, we can simply just count them to prove that the formula does actually work. And that's the explanation and example of a Microsoft Excel formula, CountIf. Thanks for watching.